Formulation: Solacium Pharma develops Zincovit, a potent dietary supplement rich in essential vitamins and minerals, notably zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Manufacturing: Solacium Pharma employs stringent manufacturing processes, adhering to industry standards to ensure the quality and potency of Zincovit. Health benefits: regular intake of Zincovit supports immune function, aids in wound healing, and provides antioxidant protection against oxidative stress, contributing to overall health and vitality. Quality assurance: Solacium Pharma maintains the highest standards of quality and efficacy through rigorous testing and ingredient sourcing, ensuring Zincovit's reliability and effectiveness. Customer satisfaction: positive feedback and testimonials from users affirm Zincovit's efficacy, reinforcing its reputation as a trusted dietary supplement for maintaining optimal health.